Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll draw this sum. Now in this, length, width and height. Length is 50, width is 30, height is 10 plus 20, 30. So first we will keep a set square and we will draw a line like this. 50, 30 and 30. After that, we'll draw a parallel line with set square. First we will draw layout. After that we'll draw the first plot. 50 by 10. See this. So that we will draw. After that, this is 30. So I can take this behind by 30. Now if you see this, how much it is behind? 20. 30 minus 10. So we'll go how much behind? 20. So remember, we'll go behind by 20. And from there we'll draw 20 by 20 rectangle, square. See this, 20, 20, 20, 20, right? So it is a square, so we will draw that square. After that, we'll go behind by 10. See this. So you go behind by 10, 10, 10 from all these points, and you'll draw parallel line. So we are done with this isometric. And this last line. Thank you. You can write origin and 30-30 degree.